Hi guys, so this is my analysis on Solana. What am I expecting on Solana? If you watched my previous analysis on Solana, overall, I said I'm expecting Solana to push to the upside overall because we can see it's giving us more of like an impulse, a correction of a descending pattern and a continuation to the upside. So I'm still expecting Solana to get to at least my $32 around that area, 32.42 around that area, before we now continue to see maybe it's going to continue to push up or go to the upside. That's still my overall direction, but we can't there are always minor structures on the overall direction. So even despite the fact that overall I think we are going to buy, but we can't just continue to buy because it's going to push down and it's going to come back, just how the market moves, right? So what was I expecting? If you're watching my previous analysis, right, this was the down move. So there was an impulse right here, a correction, a continuation to the downside, and my target was around my $12.96, and that is because that's my target for my negative 27% fib level. That was around my target, but we can see we almost got to the target, but we didn't get there completely, right? I think it was around, before it bounced off, it's just few points off before it bounced off. It came to around the around 13, around that level, right? And my main target was, even if you look at my negative 27, it's around the $13.03 around that area. But it's fine, we didn't get exactly to where I think we're supposed to get, just a few points off, right? Which is okay. So let me delete it right now since we are done with that. So what am I expecting now on let me delete the fib as well. Okay, so now it's more clearer. Let's see. Okay, fine. So what am I expecting now on Solana? I'm expecting Solana to push up a little bit, just like what it has been doing. So we can see it's now creating a bullish direction, right? We can see there is an higher low and higher low, right? I just needed to push up a little bit more concrete, break the structure, create more higher a higher low, right, and a higher high here, and continue to push the upside. So what am I expecting? I can use my fib from this point right here, from my point A to point B, around this area right here. So I see my first target is always my negative 27%, which is almost there though, and I see a possibility that it might push to this trend line right here. That's a possibility I'm seeing, right? So that's my thought on Solana right off this moment. So I still see it continuing with still, there was a rejection off of my 38.2% fib level, so it pushed to the upside. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting more of like a bullish move to at least my first target, which is around the 1890, around that level. Then we might now see what will happen, but I'm still thinking there's a possibility for it to at least push up to this trend line right here. If I zoom in around that, we can see we can come to this level right here, and if it bounces off this level, then we continue to push to the downside. But if I zoom in a little bit more, I can extend this trend line as well. All right, so we just have to wait and see how it continues to do. But my first target would be around this level. Then if I see a break of structure, a retest, then we might get to my next target, right? But we just have to be patient and see. So it depends on how it gets here. If it closes with an engulfing candle, there's a possibility that we might just continue to push to the upside. But if I see more of like a weak rejection around that area, there's a possibility we're going to drop, right? So but as of right now, I'm seeing a bit of like a buy move on Solana, and this is my current target around Solana. So hope this is insightful, guys. Don't forget to share, comment, and like, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching.